Good morning. Well, good afternoon. Yeah, good afternoon, y'all. So I am about to make some broccoli and cheese soup. So I decided to go ahead and vlog it. It's a real simple recipe. This is the recipe I use all the time. It's supposed to be a Panera Copycat, but it's real easy. You can make it in a crock pot. I've made it in a crock pot and I made it on the stove before, but I prefer it on the stove just because it don't even take that long to cook on the stove. So I don't see the point in prolonging it for hours in the crock pot. So I'm about to start making that and I'm gonna show y'all, but I also wanted to share with y'all some new products that I got. Now these products I did order from Camille Rose. They were having a sale. Don't mind my perm rods sitting up in here. I need easy access. But they were having a sale. You get all this for $20, like all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, these are the same, but 6 products for $20. So I hopped on that. Can't beat that. It smells real good. So I got the Fresh Cleanse. I'm guessing this is like a shampoo. It just says it's a moisturizing cleanser. And I got the Whipped Leave-In. And I got the Shaken Hair Spritzer. It's detangling and refresher spray. Is it gonna focus? Yes, no, there we go. Then I got the Quench Deep Conditioner, and I got 2 of the Edge Glazes. And I also got some other products, but these products were sent to me in PR. And y'all, I've been filming in my kitchen because I usually film upstairs, but the AC went out up there, so it's been super hot. But now that it's fall and it's starting to cool off, I'm glad that I can move back up because my kitchen looks a mess with all of this stuff in here. But back to what I was talking about. I got these products from Design Essentials and I used them. I actually did a video on them. Now all they asked me to do was just to show it, like show the products in my stories, but I took it a step further. I showed it in my stories and I did a video on it because I washed my hair with it last night and I wanted to document it just in case it came out good. And so yeah, it's a video coming for that. And what else? I got some candles from Bath and Body Works the other day. I got some candles the other day. I only got 2 of them because budgets. Yeah, so I got the flannel. And I mainly got this one because my husband likes this one. Like he likes these kind of like cologne type smells. He's not a fan of like food smells in the house. But the main reason I went to Bath and Body Works was to get this one. The Honey Crisp Apple, y'all. This candle smells so good. It smells so freaking so good. And then I just got back from Ulta. I went and got these juice infused lip oils. Casey Aaliyah talks about these a lot, and I like typically would just wear like chapstick, Vaseline, or glosses and stuff. So this is perfect. I really want to try it out. I haven't smelled them yet. I got Sweet Rose, and then the reddish looking one is Cranberry Pomegranate. I actually wanted the peach one, but they didn't have the peach one at my store. They only had it online, and I wasn't trying to order it online when I could just get it at the store. And they were buy one get one 50% off. So they were regular $9. So I got one for, well, I actually got more off than that because I had some points and stuff. So I got $3 off after the buy one get one 50% off. So, and I picked up another LA Pro Girl concealer that I like to use underneath my brows and stuff. I don't too much use this on my face. I mainly just use it for my brows. And I've had, the one I have now, I've had for a long time. So they last a very long time, especially for me because I don't wear makeup all the time. I mainly just wear it when I need to film or whatever. But I got that too. And that's it. Now I can get in here and start cooking my meal and hope that it's done. Well, it should be done. It will be done before Cam gets home and before we have to leave for his game tonight. Because if you didn't know, my baby plays football. He played last year too. Last year was his first year playing, but he's playing this year too. So Gotta go to the games, gotta go to practices, all that to support. And I'm so glad my kids are coming out their shell, y'all. So glad. But yeah, I'm about to start cooking. I'm gonna show y'all the recipe that I use too. I usually just screenshot my recipes so I don't have to keep going back and forth to Pinterest to get the recipes. But in this case, I'm gonna just show y'all exactly, you know, the thing on Pinterest so you'll know what it looks like. So this is it. That's the soup, and my soup does come out looking like this. So this is a really good recipe to follow if you want some bomb broccoli and cheese soup. And yeah, the only thing that I'm not gonna use that's in here, I ordered my groceries from Walmart and they gave me the wrong carrots. They gave me baby carrots instead of the matchsticks, so I'm gonna have to cut those up. But the other thing that I don't use that's on here is the 1 cup of milk. I don't use the milk because I don't buy regular milk. We use almond milk. So I'm just gonna double up on my heavy whipping cream and add a little bit of, well, I already have to add broth, but I'm gonna add a little bit of water too, just to thin the cream out so it'll be like I added the milk. But as for that, that's it. Like, and those are the directions. 3 steps. So yeah, this is a really quick recipe. Like I said, the prep time is 10 minutes, the cook time 15 to 20, so it takes about 30 minutes, which is why I said I made it in a crock pot. Focus. Like I said, I made it in a crock pot before, but I don't see the point in prolonging it that long when I can make it in 30 minutes on the stove. So yeah, I'm about to do that. So correction, they did give me the right carrots, but they also gave me baby carrots, which I didn't even order. So, but I got my matchsticks, which is good. So I got fresh broccoli, so I'm hoping I have some frozen too, because these little heads they gave me ain't gonna be enough. I got some broccoli, I got a yellow onion, my carrot matchsticks. Ooh, that's 2 bites. Now I'm gonna get my heavy whipping cream, my sharp cheddar cheese that I'm gonna grate. I find that if I use the shredded cheese just in the bag, that my soup gets a lot of like oil, like it gets oily. So why is this lighting so bright? Like it gets real oily. So to defeat that, I feel like the shredding my own cheese works better. So I got that. I need some butter. It says use unsalted butter, but my favorite butter is the sweet cream salted butter. So, are you gonna focus? My favorite. So, I think that's all I need out of the refrigerator. But I have some other cheeses too that are shredded already that I'm gonna throw in there, like the Kobe Jack. I'm gonna throw some of that in there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is chop up my onion. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. That's how you know your onion is fresh, when it can make your eyes burn. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove on so I can put my butter in there to start melting, so I can throw my onions in there, and then I'm gonna cut up my broccoli. No, it's no more with you, no. No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know. No, it's no more with you, no. No, it's no more with you, no. No, it's no more, no, no. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and put my butter in the pot just so it can melt, and I can throw my carrots, onion, and broccoli in. Why is it looking so dark? That's better. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this whole stick in there, and then this little bitty piece, I'm gonna throw that in there too. Swirling it around like that so it'll melt quicker. But y'all, this recipe is so quick and easy. Like, you ain't gotta go to Panera Bread and spend $5, $6, $7, $8 for a little cup of soup. You can make it at home. You can make it yourself. It's easy. So I'm about to add in my onions. And anyway, supposed to add 1/4 of a cup of flour, and now I'm gonna go in with some salt and some red pepper flakes. Probably gonna add a little more broth too. Like I said earlier, since I didn't use actual milk in it, I just used the heavy whipping cream and the broth. So I'm probably just gonna add some more broth into it. But my battery is dying on this camera, so I'll probably come back and show y'all the end results. But I will link the recipe if you want to try it yourself. And let me know how it comes out. So I ended up putting some more carrots in it. I had some whole carrots in my refrigerator, so I shaved those and cut them up and put them in here. And I had a bag of frozen broccoli in my freezer, so I threw that in here too, just so we can have a lot, because we love broccoli and cheese soup. So what I'm gonna do is, since my battery's dying, I'm just gonna tell y'all the rest of the steps. Is just to let this boil. I probably need to add a little more flour because it's still kind of watery. But I'm going to add a little more flour and just let this boil until it thickens up. And then at the very end, you cut the heat off and put the cheese in, because you don't want the cheese to cook, because then it's, the fats and stuff in it is going to start separating, which causes the grease to be all in it or whatever. So I'm going to link the recipe anyway, so y'all can see for yourself and try it later or whenever you want to do it. So yeah, I'm going to finish it up. It's 2 o'clock now. Cam gets home in like another 45 minutes. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna show y'all the end results. Another thing, other than the salt and pepper that I already put in, I also added garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some Creole seasoning. And another thing that I add into it to give it more of a pop, a flavor, is add a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of allspice. That just gives it, like, I don't know what or how it does it, but it gives it such a good flavor. So after that, then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished results.